Hello, my name is Scott Warner. I'm a physical therapist with Mountain Line Physical Therapy and a clinic director for our West Valley location. I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk to you about some of these issues that people might be having during this pandemic time, which is sitting at a desk, whether that's with work or at home. Unfortunately, what can happen is that sometimes our neck will become too tense, and that can lead to increases in pain. Sometimes we can even have as severe symptoms for headaches and migraines. And so I wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you a couple of quick tips and tricks to allow you to maybe decrease some of that pain. So first and foremost, what we're wanting to talk about is the upper trapezius muscle here, or the muscle that connects our shoulder to our neck, can sometimes become aggravated. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we can start to stretch that out. So you're going to take your hand, doesn't matter which side, because we're going to be stretching both sides. You're going to grab the edge of your chair or your table, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to lean your head and neck away from that hand, and you're going to feel a nice pull throughout that muscle. So what we're doing, like I said, is we're trying to stretch that muscle. Research has shown that the more prolonged a stretch is, the more beneficial that can become. So I usually tell people 4 sets of 30 seconds. So we're going to hold that stretch for 30 seconds, and we'll repeat that 4 times. And then we'll repeat on the other side, same concept, grabbing the table, lean the head and neck away, and we're going to hold that 4 sets of 30 seconds. That's your first one. The second one, which is going to be more of a mid-back stretch, I want you to take your fingers and you're going to interlace them just like this, and you're going to reach down and away from your body, kind of rounding those shoulders. You're going to take the head and neck and you're going to bring it towards the chest, and you should feel a pull kind of throughout the back of the neck and into the mid-back. Same concept for that one. That's 4 sets of 30 seconds. Now the last one is actually more specifically for those that are having headaches and migraines. This is called a chin tuck, or sometimes I call this the unflattering stretch, and you'll see why. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit up nice and tall, and I want you to, it's a little hard to see because I have my mask on, but I want you to imagine my chin here, okay? So what you're going to do is you're gonna take that chin and you're going to suck it into your neck. Don't look down, you're going to suck it into the neck, and then you're gonna take your hand, add a little extra pressure, just like that, and you're going to feel a pull just along the base of the neck, okay? Those are actually very commonly our headache muscles. So that you're going to hold 2 to 3 seconds, and then you'll repeat that 30 times. All right, well that's kind of our little quick down and dirty for those stretches. If you have any other questions, or if those don't help and you're having other issues and you'd like to come and see us, you can visit us at mlrehab.com and you can get scheduled at a local clinic. Thank you so much.